Welcome to my channel. Now let's watch beautiful Zinnia. Zinnia is a bright, beautiful flowering plant popular for its long-lasting blooms and ease of growth. It is an excellent choice for home gardens, borders, and pots, and it also attracts butterflies and bees. Zinnias bloom in striking shades of red, pink, orange, yellow, purple, white, and bicolors, adding instant brightness to gardens. They flower continuously from summer to early winter with proper care. They are hardy, fast growing, and suitable even for beginner gardeners. They thrive well in hot climates and need minimal watering once established. They grow best in warm, sunny conditions. They require full sunlight for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. The ideal temperature range is 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Zinnias prefer well drained, fertile soil with a neutral to slightly acidic pH. Seeds can be directly sown in the garden or pots as zinnias do not like transplanting. Sow seeds about 1 to 2 centimeters deep, spacing plants 25 to 40 centimeters apart depending on the variety. Water lightly after sowing. Seeds usually germinate within 5 to 10 days. Water regularly but avoid overwatering. Zinnias are drought tolerant once established, so water only when the topsoil feels dry. Apply compost or balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks to encourage healthy growth and more blooms. Zinnia flowers attract butterflies, bees, and birds, supporting garden biodiversity. They have a long vase life, making them ideal for bouquets and floral decorations. They are available in single, double, pom-pom, cactus type, and dwarf varieties. I love zinnias. I hope you too enjoyed watching zinnias in this video. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.